folks, you may have seen my video where I put this Djungelskog in the washing machine, and I found when it came out of the washing machine that it was a little bit lumpy. This Djungelskog is called Mama Skog, and I have another Djungelskog, Bernard, who has not been in the washing machine. So if you see Bernard is on the right there, Bernard's much more fluffed up and Mama Skog's gone a lot more sort of saggy. So in this video I'm going to attempt to put some extra stuffing in Mama Skog and hopefully she'll be fluffed up again like Bernard. So I've dug out some cushions. I'm going to use the filling out of those. That's man-made fibre. I've got another one there with feathers in. I'm just going to mix that in with it and we'll see how that goes. If she still needs more stuffing, I have got some old pillowcases as well that I can use. You can see she's particularly empty here. So I think I'll choose this side seam to unpick, so that when I sew it up it won't be as noticeable. So those are the stitches I'm going to unpick. It's got sort of like a lining inside, but that lining itself has sort of got a hole in it. So I suppose I could try restuffing the stuffing back in the lining first. So I've taken the liner off this stuffing and I'm going to try and fill some of this neck part with it, which is completely empty at the moment. So she's consumed the whole cushion there, and it's made this, it's filled up this bit nicely. You could still do with a little bit there though, and even a little bit more here. So I've got the stuffing out of the other lining now. So as you can see, she's definitely looking more fluffed up now. Looking a lot better. A lot more like her original self. So the tops of her arms were another place that were gone empty. Not a lot of this stuffing left, but I'll use some of that. So that's those two cushions used. I'm going to try using some of the feathers now. I can see me having some vacuuming to do after this. These feathers are going everywhere. I'm going to be sneezing in a minute. Well, she certainly weighs more now. She's got a big tummy back. She is fluffed up. So I think she's got enough stuffing in her now. So I've just got to get rid of these feathers. So all I've got left now is to put some stuffing in the tops of the legs. And I won't need to use that pillowcase I found because I found some more stuff in here. So I'm going to use that. So I think we can call Mummy Skog restuffed now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew this hole back up and give her a bit of a vacuum, and then I'll show you folks what she looks like finally. This is Bernard, and that's Mommy Skog. I think Mommy Skog looks more sort of puffed up than Bernard now. The proof is in the pudding. I'm going to ask Paul what he thinks of the huggability of Mommy Skog now.
This is the one that's been stuffed, isn't it?
Yeah, she's been washed, restuffed, vacuumed. So I want you to test out the huggability, Paul. How she feel?
Yeah, she's a bit more pumped up than originally, I think. But feels nice.
So would you say that the restuffing's been a success?
I would do, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Nice.
So folks, that's it for this video on restuffing a Djungelskog. What I will say is it would have been better if I didn't bother with the feathers at all. Should have just used the standard stuffing, because the feathers, you said you can feel them a little bit, can't you?
Yeah, the sharp ends I think you can feel coming out.
Yeah. But she looks better, doesn't she?
Oh, a lot better, yeah.
So folks, I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful. Thanks for watching as always, and see you next time.